Okay, first thing we're gonna do is open the box up. Keep in mind, you're gonna wanna keep this box as in good of condition as possible, because like what we're doing right now, you may need to send it back for warranty in the future someday. So I like having a job utility cart right next to me to just place everything, and it's perfect height for putting the Stampinator on press. We got a shirt. Okay, let's get the Stampinator out of the box and put it on to our cart. What comes in the box is pretty simple. You have your cord, loose end connectors, and user manual, as well as a t-shirt. Nice all-made shirt, in fact. Same shirt that I'm wearing, just a little bit larger. Every Stampinator is tested and approved, and this unit was tested, calibrated at the Stampinator facility.